In this tutorial I will show you how to read Instagram messages without opening them. First, open the Instagram application and go to the message box. As you can see, there are a few messages that I haven't opened. And now we are gonna read these messages. We have to just turn off the Wi-Fi or mobile data and turn on the airplane mode. And then we will read the message. So we have to just go back to our profile section and tap on the three dots and go to settings and scroll down, and we have to just simply log out. And then we have to again turn on the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And we have to again log in to the Instagram account. Now we are gonna check the message box. And here we can see that the messages we have seen before, the message is now unread. So here's how you can read Instagram messages without opening them.